Listen to that. That's the crunch you dream about. Today I'm showing you the ultimate crispy oyster mushroom burger, the best plant-based fried chicken alternative, hands down. Big flavor, bigger texture, zero chicken. Let's go. Quick look at the lineup. Meaty oyster mushrooms, a punchy wet batter, and a seriously seasoned flour dredge. This combo guarantees shatter-level crisp. I start by tearing oyster mushrooms into palm-sized clusters. Keep the natural ruffles for extra nooks and crannies. Pat them dry. Season with a sprinkle of salt and pepper. Foundation matters. Wet batter time. In a bowl, whisk non-dairy milk with a squeeze of lemon, a spoon of hot sauce, and a bit of cornstarch for cling. Think buttermilk vibes, plant-based addition. Now the dry mix. All-purpose flour, cornstarch, garlic powder, onion powder, smoked paprika, white pepper, a pinch of cayenne, and a solid hit of salt. Give it a toss. Pro tip: scoop out a cup of the wet batter into the dry and pinch it around to create little flaky bits. Those become crispy craggies later. Dip mushroom clusters in the wet. Let excess drip. Press into the dry mix. Pack on those flaky bits, then back into the wet, and one more trip into the dry. Double dredge equals double crunch. Get your oil to 350 degree, 175 degree in a heavy pot, about 2 to 3 inches deep. When a breadcrumb sizzles on contact, you're in the pocket. Carefully slide the coated mushrooms in, away from you. Don't crowd the pot. Give them space to crisp. Hear that? Pure sizzle therapy. Fry 4 to 6 minutes, flipping as needed until deep golden and outrageously crispy. If they're browning too fast, lower the heat a touch. Pull them to a wire rack, never paper towels, so that crunch stays intact. Hit with a tiny pinch of salt while hot. While those rest, buns. Lightly butter or brush with oil and toast until golden on a hot pan. Texture on texture, always. Spicy mayo, vegan mayo. A spoon of hot sauce, dash of maple or agave, squeeze of lemon, pinch of garlic powder. Tiny bit of smoked paprika, salt. Whisk. It should be creamy with a kick. Build time. Bottom bun gets a generous swipe of spicy mayo. Add crisp lettuce for fresh snap. A pile of dill pickles for brightness. Crown it with that absurdly crispy oyster mushroom patty. More spicy mayo on the top bun. Close it up. Moment of truth. Slice through. Listen. That crunch is not playing around. Take a bite. Juicy, savory, peppery, a touch of heat, and that fried chicken vibe without the chicken. It's ridiculous, in the best way.